Do I need to work any of these? Guys, be quiet, please. So 1 through 4 is solve each polynomial equation by factoring. Did something that we just do help you?
Number 5.
Shh. Tanner, please pay attention to what I'm saying. Yeah, we could put it in the calculator. If it doesn't factor by grouping or a GCF, and if I have to do that backwards L, can I eliminate a step? How? Plugging it in, right? So let's look at number 2. This one on number 2, what did you factor out? X to the third will come out, and then you would have x squared minus 2x minus 24. Does everybody agree there? We did this one, didn't we? Yeah. But see, that one is easy to factor, correct? Easier compared to some. So you'd have an x and an x and go ahead. But watch what happens, guys, if I put this in the equation. X to the 5th minus 2x to the 4th. Watch me put this in, please. I'm not making you do it. And I hit graph. Obviously, what are going to be the roots? Well, if you did this problem already, you know that this goes to x minus 6x plus 4. And then you have an x cubed. What should my roots be? X equals 6. X equals negative 4. I must have typed something in wrong. Oh, I put x to the 32. That'll make a difference. So there's my negative 4. Then it went through 0. Look at that. That's pretty cool, right?
Yeah, I agree.
Because it's going through negative 4, it's going through 6, and then it's going through 0. Now, what is the multiplicity of 0, guys? How many times does 0 occur as a root?
1.
Nope. 3. Because I had x to the third. So that would be x times x times x. All of those would be zeros. Does that make sense? Any questions? All right. Do I need to look at 5 through 8?
5.
Identify rational zeros and then write the function in factored form. I'm not going to do either one of those because what have we showed? I will set up one of them with you. Who wants to see 5? Who wants to see 6? 6 it is. So how would I set up number 6? Yeah, but how could I do that in a calculator now? I type it all in. Do I need to know the factors of 48? Not anymore because I know what I'm looking for. So sometimes x to the third, make sure I put this in correctly and don't mess it up again. What should I try? What does it look like it crosses? It looks like 3 and it looks like negative 4. How do I make sure about that? Hit trace. 3 enter. Is 3 work? Yep, it gives me 0. Does negative 4 work? Yep, it gives me 0. So what should I do? I pick one of those. Which one do you want to do? It makes absolutely no difference. But it's 3 in the backwards L with the 1, 5, negative 8, negative 48. Agreed?
That is possible.
Yep. So then I have x minus 3 and then x squared plus 8x plus 16. Do you see how kind of monotonous this is? Or not monotonous, that's the wrong word. But do you see how very similar these problems are? What can I do with this one? I can either factor that or What do I know is already a root? -4. I could put -4 in the backwards L for this one. Are there any questions? The only difference in 5 and 6 and then 7 and 8 is 5 and 6 is asking for the factored form as well. Okay? Any questions?
Couldn't you simplify?
Didn't you say we didn't have to do it?
So tomorrow, what is due?
Both
I-
these 7.1, 7.2.
7.1, you've got 1 through 8, and I'm going to give you a few more tonight. And then 7.2, how many do you have to do? 1 through 1 through 7.
Oh, I thought it was 1, 2, 5, 6, 7.
1 through
7.
Have we done 3 and 4 and 5?
1 through 8.
Through it. Read.
There's 8 problems, right?
Correct.
Shh. Any questions?
No, man. Yeah, number 8.
I'm going to give you a few more as well. I'm just going to put it on the haiku page as review. Okay?